Hey everyone, so today I'm going to Saima's brother's Walima, Qasim's Walima. So I was thinking I'm going to get myself ready. So why don't I show you guys, right? Yeah, I'm a bit fucking pissed today. And I'll tell you guys why. When I was going to the wedding, we were going to Luton on the coach, and then me and Mama were super late. So Mama said to me, hurry up and get out of the vehicle when we got to the coach. And as I was coming out of the car, basically what I did was, my bag is like a crossbody one way. I don't know what the hell is up with me, but I just don't close it. And then whilst I was coming out, boom, and my camera fell into a puddle. But it gets worse, okay? When it fell into a puddle, it said something like, recover some bullshit. I don't even know what it said, but I just pressed yes, because I just wanted to vlog the day, and I didn't pick up any of the SD card with me. So when I pressed yes, it removed every single previous footage that I took. Hi, so true story. Sumaya isn't allowed to get into my videos because of.
You better not put that in, Maria.
I'm gonna put it in.
You better not put that in.
Why?
Yeah, Navia. She's gonna put that in.
Good. She needs to put that in.
Ooh. Well, I didn't say who it was, did I?
You need to do eyebrows.
Okay, I'm doing Nafi's eyebrows as well. We look a mess. Nafi, come show yourself because I look. Yeah?
When?
I look a mess, so you could come in to look at it.
You could have done it in one go now.
No, because the light is good in this direction.
You're such a shit, Maria.
You're such a hoe, Sumaya. Naf, let's see you.
No, I'm not showing me. Yeah, I haven't done my beard and I gotta do all this shit.
My beard. The beard issues. Basically, do you know when we do laser hair removal, we need to shave this area, and you know how it is, okay? We is hairy mother effers. That's cinnamon cereal.
So that's why you was coughing downstairs like a fatty.
You didn't know I was. I made the kids food, at least.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was. I was going. Yeah, I was munch. That's another thing. I was so skinny on the Mehndi, and now because of Sumaya, whenever Sumaya comes, because she's such a big hoe, she's like, if I'm gonna eat, everybody needs to eat.
Well, yeah, I came here for a nice time.
Yeah, and we've been like binging on Handmaid's Tale. It's so good. If you guys haven't seen it, you guys need to see Handmaid's Tale.
You bet you didn't get any pins for me.
I'm going. I'm going to Boots.
I'm hungry.
The footage that I lost, it was very good. It was like the dolki stuff. I was doing my
shit.
Sumaya, Kanjari. It was Mehndi stuff. It was Larvadame no, Margarivadame Lachari, Kachari. Basically, Sumaya is too beautiful, I think, to get in right now. She thinks she's amazing right now. See? And if any of you have any suggestions of challenges that we could do, I'd love to do it with only Nafi.
We could put Sumaya with like, what you call it?
Put Sumaya with, you know the shuttlecock one. When all is said and done. I love that song, Ariana Grande one. The God is a.
I love that song. I love that song.
Did I repeat it?
Yeah.
Did I?
You did.
What's it to you, Sumaya? You don't even want to come in because you think you're like amazing.
It's probably because all the pages comments left. Sumaya, some spinner da.
People are like, Sumaya is so white. She is the original Pushtun. You guys are like Juriane. You guys. Eh? No?
Show me cold.
What do you say?
Where are you going?
Why?
You're going fast and cold at the same time.
Like, where are you going?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because you're going hard, isn't it?
Oh shit, yeah, Sammy's going Hajj with Mama in like a week?
Yeah.
2 weeks? Not yet. Go this way.
2 weeks, love. Less than 2 weeks.
So these are the eyebrows did.
I don't know why, I always look like I'm cockeyed.
Maybe you is. So the kids have just arrived. Color correction. This is by Cryoland. Is number 508.
Stay here!
Ooh. Ooh. This is the time of the month for Sumaya. I don't know. I'm in two minds. Do I leave Caleb? I don't know. Basically, when it was the Mehndi, Caleb was going crazy. So I took him to my husband in like 5 minutes. Left the venue.
In this one.
She's taking Harim. Is she crazy? Yeah.
Need a break.
Jojoana Mani Luminous Silk Foundation in color. I don't know. You're gonna have the whole night again up with her anyway. Because why would you want to take her to a wedding? You could take her to other places. A wedding though. I know.
Because I got Maya.
Well, there we go then.
Why would you overload yourself with two?
Trust me, I don't think you should. I wouldn't.
This girl is not on her own.
I've used the life out of this. My favorite HD foundation today, Ash Cosmetics. In fair, I think.
My turn.
Do I bring this one here, part one?
Me? Yeah, okay.
My mommy said no.
I'm basically using Ash Cosmetics to contour my face. I'm using Safina Khan brushes, by the way, for those who want to know. I bring it down like this so my face looks a little skinny. See, I bring it down like that, like that. I use this little thing to just... This is basically veil finishing powder. Now, story about this. With my feet, because I have blood clots in it and they have like scarring on my feet, so they gave me like camouflage makeup to cover the scar, and then they gave me finishing powder. But this finishing powder is amazing as a setting powder as well. Get oil around my nostrils, so I can put a little bit here as well. An oily chin. And a little bit on my T-zone. It's very oily. This is a Kiko eye potion, which is what I use for setting my eyeshadow. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette that I'm using. So I will use this one just to put on my base. Oh shit, is this shiny? No, it isn't shiny. I just use this on the base. Then using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, I'll just make the... No, is this a cut crease? I don't know. Like that basically. Then using the Ash Cosmetics Moon Dust, and it's glue as well. I'll just put it on the concealed area. Moon Dust. Ash Cosmetics Clearing Sahara. And I get the eyeliner thingy and I just put it in. So I've done this eyebrow, but a really good trick is to use translucent powder on your eyebrow. So, just saying. It just stays for a lot longer then. And then when I'm finished, then I'll just rub it through. Okay, I'm just going to quickly do this other eye now. Okay, so both my eyes are done and it's focusing on Harim's face. And now I'm just going to put my eyelashes on and blend the rest of the powder in. And Nafi's waiting for the mirror, so I need to hurry up. But Nafi won't go to the toilet to use the mirror in the toilet.
I see the light's not happening.
Oh, is it? It is really good in my one.
It's daylight there.
These are really, really good lashes. The Isla ones, the most wanted ones. Really good for eyes like mine. What shape eyes are mine, Naf? Almond.
Space or something, space.
spaced out eyes. Okay, just gonna use my duo glue. These are really good, these lashes, because they're reusable.
Is that your deal?
Yeah, I picked up. You took mine.
No, I bought mine. I bought another one.
No, so did I. This is a new one.
Yeah, this one's mine.
Yeah, I was thinking you took.
mine.
Yeah, I was thinking you took mine, but then I picked up another one. Yeah. See? What did I say? These lashes are amazing. When Nafi looks at herself in the mirror, she goes. You do, you go.
Yeah, what do you
Go.
do?
Yeah, right. I don't pose in the mirror.
You might as well sound like bloody actor. You always fucking on a bloody catwalk.
Wow.
And I can't breathe.
Yeah, right. Okay, so I'm going to quickly blend my face. I'm going to use the Ash Cosmetics in Bed Parquet. And then the MAC in Viva Glam 2. I can do the rest in the mirror. I need to give this to Nafi before she kills me. Okay, Nafi is giggling at me because this is way too much makeup. Instead of a red lip, I'm gonna try a nudish, pinky nudish one. Yeah, okay. Round 2, guys. Okay, so I've taken the makeup off. Now I'm gonna try these two. I did a previous Ash Cosmetics lip swatch video, but this one was missing that I found now. It's the naked one. It is quite nice mixed with the pink one, so I'm gonna try these two together anyway. If Nafi definitely takes.
Money, I'm using the mirror. Oh, come on, man. You've been taking 4 hours on this.
Because I'm filming.
Why did you decide to film now?
My sisters are so nice. Anyway. And now I'm gonna go ahead with the naked one. And this is my lips done. I really like this color much better than the Drag Queen Red look, I think. And I feel like I need to put a little bit of pink in my eyes. I'm using Lucidleo Rose Toner Spray. And that's me done, guys. I'm gonna go quickly do my hair up and put my clothes on, and then I'm ready. Okay guys, so I'm completely ready now. I've been deliberating about which lip color should I use, but I used a little bit of a brown, I think it was Huda Beauty Venus with the Ash Cosmetics Naked color, so that's what I've used on my lips. My hair, I quickly did it like, if you guys have seen my brother's Walima video, because I'm wearing the same dress, let me show you guys, wait. This is the dress, okay, did like a little braid, and then bun thing, just hair up today because the other occasions I had my hair out, so I was thinking it'll be a bit different now. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.